As an audio engineer, you have the ability to shape the listener's experience and make them feel something truly special. Welcome to Knoise, a hub for music producers and sound engineers. We're dedicated to exploring the world of sound and helping you develop your skills. Join our passionate creators and engineers community and let's make some noise together. A sound engineer is a professional who is responsible for the technical aspects of recording, mixing, and reproducing sound. Sound engineers work in a variety of settings, including recording studios, live events, theaters, and film and television production. They use a range of equipment, such as microphones, mixing consoles, and digital audio workstations, to capture and manipulate sound. One of the most important skills is a good ear for sound. Sound engineers need to be able to identify different frequencies, tonal qualities, and other sonic characteristics to create the best possible sound. Another key skill is the technical knowledge of the equipment and software used in sound engineering. Sound engineers need to be familiar with the operation of microphones, mixing consoles, DAWs, and other equipment, as well as digital signal processing and other software applications. In addition to these technical skills, sound engineers also need to have good communication skills. They need to be able to work effectively with musicians, producers, directors, and other professionals to achieve the desired sound. They also need to be able to work under pressure, often in fast-paced and demanding environments, while still maintaining their attention to detail and focus on quality. So, what exactly does a sound engineer do? Let's take a closer look at some of the tasks they perform. Recording. One of the primary tasks of a sound engineer is recording sound. This involves setting up microphones, adjusting levels and settings, and capturing the sound of instruments, vocals, and other audio sources. Sound engineers need to be able to create the best possible sound, which often involves experimenting with different microphone placements, levels, and other settings. Mixing. After the sound has been recorded, the sound engineer is responsible for mixing the sound. This involves adjusting the levels, EQ, and other settings to create a balanced and cohesive sound. Sound engineers also use effects such as reverb, delay, and compression to enhance the sound and create a specific mood or atmosphere. Mastering. Once the mixing is complete, the sound engineer will often perform mastering, which involves preparing the final mix for distribution. This may involve adjusting the levels, EQ, and other settings to ensure that the sound is consistent across different playback systems and formats. Live sound. Sound engineers may also work in live sound settings, such as concerts or theater productions. In these settings, they are responsible for setting up and operating sound equipment, such as PA systems, monitors, and mixers, to ensure that the sound is clear and balanced for the audience. In conclusion, sound engineers play a crucial role in the world of music and audio production. They are responsible for capturing and shaping sound, ensuring that every detail is captured and presented in the best possible way. From setting up equipment to mixing and mastering, audio engineers must possess a wide range of technical skills and creativity to create something truly special. But above all, what sets great sound engineers apart is their passion for sound and their dedication to helping artists and listeners alike experience the magic of music. So if you're interested in pursuing a career in audio engineering, remember that it takes hard work, dedication, and a deep love for sound to create something truly great. Hey there! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Liking our videos helps us reach more people, and subscribing ensures that you'll be the first to know when we upload new content.